Our project was unique because it was delivered in stages over 18 months, and we were always on the site throughout that 18 months as each stage was being constructed and then delivered. What helped to make that a seamless experience was the communication.
The scope of the Footscray City Primary School project was to modernise and upgrade their main school block. It was also to upgrade and redo their outdoor landscaping area around that main building as well. We
were really fortunate throughout the project to have really strong, positive, collaborative partnerships with the VSBA, with Perkins Architects, and also with Bowden Construction, our builders. We wanted to prioritise a learning community model. We really appreciated the flexibility that was shown and the opportunity to have our approach to teaching and learning, our pedagogy, reflected in how the spaces were designed.
The strong relationships we built throughout this project with both the consultancy teams, the school and the VSBA teams as well, was really through open communication, through trust and through respect as well. And Jessie showed that to us as we came into her school to redesign their spaces, to bring them the learning community and open, flexible spaces that they were really looking for here at Footscray City.
The opportunity to communicate out of session, but also to attend fortnightly meetings with the stakeholders, meant that we felt very well informed about what was happening and when, and there was ample opportunity for us to communicate back about things that we needed to prioritise that was relevant for them as well.
So I think it was really important to be engaged at all times with the school and be able to take those phone calls, even if no question was too small or too big to follow up on. And we were able to provide just that comfort to them if they had concerns over noise, if they had concerns over the water being closed off for an hour or so we could get the amenities finished or anything like that.
I think in particular the kids are loving the glass sliding doors and the fact that those spaces are flexible. So there's times where their classroom doors are closed and there's times when they're open. They can come together for particular activities and also socially they can come together more easily. So it's made that collaborative practice for children and for adults far more fluid and easier to deliver.
So that was really important, that we designed the spaces to be as flexible as possible for all the learning opportunities that the school actually needed in those spaces. We also made it an inclusive building. We made it accessible to all by including a lift and making sure that all entryways were accessible to all students, and we made it a much lighter, much brighter space with more usable spaces and a new office for obviously the leadership team.
Now that the project's finished, we feel incredibly grateful that we're at this fabulous school at a time where this project's been completed so successfully. We feel like we've got beautiful spaces that match highly effective learning and teaching programs, and that's a really exciting time.